Ha?
Mumu no, mama no, pa, Cici no.
Who is maganda?
Me,
How about Mumu?
Cici no, Mumu no,
Huh?
mama no.
Only you? Only you is the maganda?
Cici.
Eh?
No papa, no mama, no Cici, no Mumu.
Only you?
Yeah.
Only you the maganda?
Yeah. Oh my God.
You are maganda, of course.
Me too.
And then how about mommy and Cheche?
Mommy and Papa say no you.
My God, I'm not maganda?
Yeah.
Okay, you said that, huh? Okay, then tomorrow, can I take holiday tomorrow because I'm not maganda? You're maganda. I will take holiday tomorrow because I'm not maganda, okay? Who is maganda?
You.
Nuuto mo lang ako. Ha? Ha?
Mama.
Who is not maganda?
Yeah.
Who is maganda?
Me. Ito holiday.
Why not?
Ito holiday.
Why not?
No.
Cheche is tired. Need to take holiday sometimes, okay?
No.
Okay, then not tomorrow or maybe next Sunday.
Mama Foka.
Yeah, when Mama is Fonka, when Mama day off, then Cheche will take holiday, okay?
Okay.
You sure?
Yeah.
Then tomorrow, Mama will take you to school and then Mama and Papa pick you up, okay?
Okay.
No, Cheche, okay?
No.
Ayaw niya talaga, gusto niya talaga, ako talaga lagi magsundo. Okay, then Cheche, tomorrow we'll take you home, we'll pick you up, okay?
Okay.
Okay, say good night na to everyone.
Good night, Mama, Daddy.
Good night, everyone.
Good night, everyone.
Cherry, say cherry.
Daddy.
How about you? Say good night and cherries. Come on.
Yeah.
Ayaw niya. Good night. Say cherries. Remove your digit. Say cherries. Cherries. Good night.